Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make some creamy spinach chicken thighs. So you already know how I season my meat. I'll leave the link below because I'm not going to go through that every time we do a video. So go ahead and preheat, I can't even get it out. Put some damn olive oil in your skillet with some butter. Now the way I do this, I know it might look kind of funny or whatever it may be, but I just like to mix my butter in this type of way, because when you put in olive oil in the skillet, sometimes if it get too hot, it'll start to burn. So I notice if I like spread the margin like around in it, you know what I'm saying, like I'm mixing it all together, it'll do better. And also when I like doing this, I don't wait till it get all the way hot, you know what I'm saying. So I just put it in there when it's, you know, as it is, as you can see right here. So just go ahead and, you know, mix this all together. I got my red potatoes going over there, that's on the other side, but the water keep popping up in my skillet. And you know, you can't pop up no water and no oil together because it'll been done did something. So let me go ahead and try to just cover this a little bit because this is popping up everywhere. Anyways, go ahead and add your chicken thighs to this mixture. Now I like to add it on the back side, the skin up first and then the other side, but it's really up to you. It's really not no big issue thing with whichever side you put it on. So I'm going to go ahead and just add all my chicken thighs into this, and you want this on medium heat. And you also want to cover this, but make sure it's on medium heat because you don't want this to burn. So go ahead and get your lid, put it on medium heat, and then we're going to come back. We're going to flip these over. As you can see, look at the moisture coming up. So we're going to go ahead and flip these over on the other side and let these cook for about 10-15 minutes on the opposite side, whatever side that you have. It really don't matter. It is what it is. So this is how it should look. So now I already have my oven heated to 350. I'm going to turn these over, but this is not it. I know it sounds like a lot, but you're going to put this in the oven on 350. Now I had a bowl over there, as you can see in the corner, and it's still that I had took the chicken thighs out of, and it had seasoning. So I put a little water in there and mixed it in there, and I put it in the oven, but you didn't get to see that part. But now, whatever, y'all see it now. So now it's out the oven for being in the oven for 15-20 minutes. So you want to remove the chicken thighs from the skillet. See, that's where you get all that juice from me adding the extra water that was in the little container that had the chicken thighs in there with that seasoning. I didn't even have to re-season the water because that seasoning worked. So go ahead and add your spinach in this mixture, and you want to just go ahead and saute these spinach all the way down. Okay, the spinach is sauteed down. Now we're going to add a couple of things to it. We're going to add some minced garlic, just like 2 or 3 pushes of minced garlic. That'll be fine. You want to also add you some garlic paste. I know it's still garlic, but you can't never have enough garlic. And you're going to add you some basil. You know what, I forgot to show you exactly what I use, but here's a picture of the brands that I use. You can find these in your local grocery stores. So after that, you want to add you some tomato paste. Now tomato paste is really good for coloring that I found. You don't taste no type of tomato, nothing. It just turns to a orange or a reddish kind of color, and it makes your food kind of it tastes good, but to me it's just for coloring. So I don't know. So you know, just go ahead and mix this all together until it's well incorporated. Okay, y'all, this is well incorporated. You want to add like a cup and a half of heavy whipping cream to this, and you're going to mix this all together. So I had the Gouda cheese sitting out. Usually I would grate it in there, but it was so soft from it sitting out. I just went on and just cut me a little piece and put it in there. But if it's hard, grate it in there. But if it's soft, just go ahead and cut you a piece of Gouda cheese in there. Not that much, just a little bit. And you're going to break this down and let this melt in the sauce that we have already. So now I'm going to add the chicken thighs back to this creamy spinach sauce that we just made. It smells so good, like it smells really, really good. So you're going to turn this down to low because you got to think you added cheese in there, so this is going to get kind of thick, and you don't want it to get too thick to where it sucks up all the juice from you cooking it too fast. So you're going to go ahead and cover this. We're just going to cook this for like 5 to 10 more minutes. And this is how it's going to come out looking. Go ahead and turn it off. And I'm still mixing it, but I'm pouring the sauce on top of the chicken thighs. This is really, really good. And like I said, I made me some corn on the cob and some garlic red mashed potatoes to go with this. But this is really, really good. But come on, y'all, let's check this out to see how this look how beautiful this look. This is so good. Very easy, fast recipe. But let me go ahead and taste this. But y'all, let me know how y'all make y'all creamy spinach chicken thighs. But honey, this is really, really good. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And everyone have a blessed day. Until next time.